Welcome home, friend! You're going to fall in love with this brand new community, Wildflower Ranch. It is located in Justin, Texas, minutes from the Texas Motor Speedway, Tanger Outlets, and a local staple, BUC-EE'S. In Wildflower Ranch, you will have the option to design your ideal home. With 3 different types of lots to choose from, 40-foot wides, 50 wide, and 60-foot wide lots, you'll find that in this community, you'll have some elbow room to grow in and enjoy neighborly fellowships. This community was masterfully designed to balance your modern needs with the best parts of country living. It is a community rooted in togetherness, exploration, and a desire to live a fulfilled life. Various builders have partnered together on this project to provide every home a unique look and give every homeowner a home they will love. And it would be an honor for Ludwin and I to partner with you during your new home construction tour. So call us today to schedule your private showing of all that Wildflower Ranch has to offer.